Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 14, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column C, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 7, 8. 10th row and 4th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th grade. We have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6, 9. 5th row and 7th row, we have 5, so 5 can come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 7. Column H, we have 2 and 8, so 2 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column G, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6, 7. 9th row and 6th row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Remaining numbers will confirm later. 2nd row and 4th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column G, 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, 7th row and 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. Column I, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 1. Column I, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 1. Column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, column G we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Seventh row, column F, column G we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, 6th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, column H we have 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, column E we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, column G we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 8th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. 8th row and 9th row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. First grade, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 10th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 9th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column F we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 10th row we have 8, So 8 can come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Sorry, 5 and 7. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.